Hi guys! Testing out if the camera is that good, but I think I already did. But beside of that, and that I really need to cut my bangs, I mean come on, it's like 2 weeks ago that I actually cut them. Anyway, I got myself some new nail polish. So look at the yellow one, it's the one I'm actually I'm going to use to try the Pac-Man. Those two are purple. This one is cool, it's like a bling bling purple, so it's like a metallic shining. That green one too, and yeah, it's just plain blue. And yeah, one that I could use so it will hold longer. I need to get rid of it in a bit too anyway, because it doesn't look any good anymore. What I got myself to try it better, the painting, is this, it's called lip pen. It's a bit complicated because you can, there you go, so you can do this, comes out. So it has a really pointy, focus isn't that good, it has a really pointy edge, so it should be quite okay to draw with it. And I probably will first try the Pac-Man, so that one, and we'll see. I will only draw 2 Pac-Mans, or maybe just one for, yeah, I will see. I wanted to go first for the hearts, but as I'm really bad with hearts anyway, probably should go first for the Pac-Man. So yeah, that's all I wanted to update. So